filming East Baton Rouge Sheriff's Office?
The East Baton Rouge Sheriff's Office? Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Let's see. You are? Let's see. And call back up.
Call backup for what? Pushing me out the building. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get out the building.
What's wrong with you?
Get out of
Give
the
me your
building.
supervisor. Give me.
You cannot record.
Pressing charges against him, correct?
Correct. I want to press charges against both of the officers that threw me down the steps.
They threw you down the steps.
I have it on video.
You have it on video?
That is correct. Hey, what's up, guys? Long Island Audit here. Back again with another video. Today we're at the City Hall here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We are here today to peacefully exercise our First Amendment right to film in public and publicly accessible areas, to promote transparency and accountability within our government, and to ensure that our public servants respect our rights and treat us with respect. Let's get into it. Clerk of the court. Welcome to City Hall, the directory. So public information is on the 3rd floor. So the 2nd floor we're here, we have the Registrar of Voters, Sheriff's Civil Division over here.
Sir, do you need some help?
I'm sorry?
Do you need some help?
No.
Why are you filming East Baton Rouge Sheriff's Office?
The East Baton Rouge Sheriff's Office? Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Let's see. You are? Let's see. Deputy Champagne, do you have, excuse me. Give BB and call back up. Give BB and call back up.
Call backup for what? Can I get your name, ma'am? What are you calling backup for? She's calling BB and she's calling for backup. For what? For filming the East Baton Rouge Sheriff's Department? Doesn't seem like that big of a deal. Inside of a public building, City Hall. I guess backup has arrived. How you guys doing today? How you doing? Guess more backup arrived. Excuse me, sir?
Turn the record off.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
For what?
Turn it off now.
Sir,
Turn it off now.
I would ask you to. I would ask you to de-escalate. You're putting your hands on me. You
Turn
need to
it off.
stop.
Turn it off.
Yes,
can't
you
record
can.
in the building.
This is a public building, like you just said.
You
This is a government building.
no.
You work for Internal Affairs,
That's right. Now,
and you're acting like this.
Turn it off.
I'm not turning it off, and you don't touch me again. I'm leaving. For what? For this is a First Amendment protected activity.
Okay, disobeying officer.
This is not. This is not disobeying. This is a constitution. Get me a supervisor, please. This is a constitutionally.
Right now.
This is a constitutionally protected activity, sir. I'm not breaking any laws.
You're not.
No
I'm not
filming
breaking
in the
any
building,
laws.
sir.
You're opening up
Out,
yourself up
out,
for
out,
civil
out,
litigation.
Out.
You guys are
Out.
unbelievable.
Out.
What is your name?
William.
What? Williams? And what's your name?
Cartwright.
Cartwright?
Come on out.
Why it says S. Bell? Why are you lying? Why are you lying about your name? Why are you lying?
Sir, don't talk to me like that. Get out
Why are you lying? Stop pushing me out the building. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get out the building.
What's wrong with you?
Get out of
Give
the
me your
building.
supervisor. Give me your supervisor. Give me your supervisor. Give me your supervisor. Get me your supervisor. Oh my God. You saw it, right? Come on, man. My ankle. They don't push me down the stairs. Can I get your number, man? Can you just tell them to me on camera so I can? I'm not gonna post it nowhere for your number, but Oh, I'll take it down to my phone. Hold on. Please. No, man. They just man here. It's my constitutional right. What's your number?
Public building.
Yeah, it's a public building.
I give a statement. I see them.
Thank you. Thank you. You saw I wasn't doing anything wrong. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. I'll give you a ring. Yes, exactly. Peacefully exercising my right. Excuse me, sir. I'm talking to this deputy right here. I was just assaulted by, I don't know who. He said a constable. I showed him the video. A constable, some other deputies.
Okay.
They pushed me out of City Hall and threw me down the stairs. And it's all on video. My ankle's hurting.
They threw you down the stairs?
They threw me down the stairs. I have it on video. They threw me down the stairs. Do you know why? Because I was peacefully exercising a constitutionally protected right, which is filming.
If you can't film in there.
There is no policy against filming in there, and plus I have a constitutional right to film in there. And even if that was the case, you trespass me from the building. You don't throw me out of the building.
Okay, let me call.
And you're a sergeant? Yeah, come here. Come here. You're gonna pay for this legally.
You're not gonna start bruising people.
I said legally, sir. Legally. That is not a threat. That is not a threat. The Supreme Court has ruled you cannot threaten somebody with legal action. That's not considered a threat. He's one of the ones that assaulted me, sir. I got it on video. You're nothing but a thug. A thug with a badge. And I got a witness, sir, who said he's willing to write a statement. He was walking out the same time as me. Here is the guy who assaulted me. I didn't break the law. I'm not giving you no ID. You need to have reasonable articulable suspicion that I broke in the law in order to demand ID. And your sergeant should know that.
Listen to me. You invading these people's privacy in the
You have no expectation of privacy in public,
you
sir.
interrupting me while I'm talking.
Okay, go ahead.
You up here videotaping these people on their job. You can't do that.
They are public servants, sir. I sure
You cannot
can.
video people. No, you can't.
Yes, I can. They're public servants. There's
You
no
don't know. You don't
expectation.
know.
There's no what law did I break, sir? What law did I break?
You broke Privacy Act. You can't video people.
Common sense. Are you common sense enforcement?
You don't know government.
Are you common sense enforcement?
You don't even know who you are.
You lied about. He lied about his name. I asked him what his name was. He said something totally different from what's on his shirt.
Let's see ID card.
I have not broken the law. Are you going to arrest me if I don't give you ID?
I'm at the time you get the ID because
Sergeant, I'm asking. Sergeant, you know I'm in a public. Sergeant,
Let me speak to him.
Yeah.
That would be okay.
Wait.
Okay.
you better relax, man. You're about to. You already violated my You already violated my constitutional rights, and you cannot just get ID from me unless I've broken the law.
I need your ID to write my report.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do.
You can put good citizen in it. You'll get it when I sue you. You'll get it when I sue you. How about that?
We gonna see.
Yeah, we will see. S. Bell,
Go ahead and talk to him.
Sergeant, Sergeant Shavers.
Here's the thing. I know the videos on YouTube. We use them as a training thing.
I hope so. Obviously not, sir.
Right. Well, not everybody sees all the videos. Some people don't even YouTube. Some people don't even Facebook. They don't see the videos. But the thing is, if there is a provision in this building, since it is a governmental building, it's not technically a private or a public building, it's a governmental building. If there's a provision for no videoing, then you cannot video in there unless you do the request for public records release.
That's what I was trying to do, a public records. That's why I'm working on a story for City Hall.
You can't video until you get permission. Once you get the records.
I respectfully disagree. It's a City Hall, sir. It's open to the public. It's paid.
Building.
But it's a public building. It's paid for by taxpayers.
Correct.
And there is no signs.
But it is a governmental building.
Okay.
It's not a Walmart.
That doesn't. I understand that. It's not a private thing.
Okay, I just wanted to make
No,
sure.
I understand it's not a private building.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is there's no signs, number one. And even if there was, the correct thing to do for these officers to do were to be to trespass me from the building.
Correct.
Which would mean me voluntarily walking out of the building.
But
That's
I
it.
didn't see any of that.
Okay, but I have it on video of them
Hold on,
throwing me
hold
out of the
on, hold
building.
on. I'm not on your video. Well, I mean, I am.
No,
now.
but I have video of it.
Listen to me, okay? I was not on the steps. I was not even outside to witness this. So I'm not saying you're a liar. I'm not saying he's a liar. Whatever happened, happened. Whether you have it on video, that's good. You have your ammunition to do whatever you need to do with it.
Yeah, I want to press charges. That's what I want to do with
That's
it.
fine. That's absolutely.
It's
whatever-
on video, and I can
that's
show it to you
whatever
right
can
now.
do. I don't need to see it.
Why don't you need to see a crime, sir? It's a crime.
Because it's not, like I said, I wasn't there. I didn't see this. You have
That
an
makes
actual
logically
complaint.
that makes no sense. That's somebody robbed the bank and you weren't there at the bank to see them rob the bank. So you didn't see it, so there's nothing you can do?
But the thing is, I just heard from another witness that you did not fall.
That I didn't.
So you did not fall. You knelt down. That's what I heard. That's what I was told.
But I can show you on video.
I don't need to see the video.
Okay.
The video, that is your evidence to do whatever you need. So I tell you what, let me call my supervisor.
Okay.
Hey, Chief.
Hey, man, how are you?
I'm doing well. Well, not too well.
Someone out here to take your report, but so you're pressing charges against him, correct?
Correct. I want to press charges against both of the officers that threw me down the steps.
They threw you down the steps.
I have it on video.
You have it on video?
That is correct. I have it on, and I have a witness that he gave me his number. His name is Ronald.
Yes.
He was walking outside of the City Hall with
sir.
me at the same time.
Okay.
And as he was leaving, he said that I will be a witness. I saw what they did to you. I will write a statement.
What I need you to do for me, if you're filing a complaint against my two officers, I need you to come to my office and see my internal affairs guy and fill out a report, and we'll carry it on. We'll do an internal investigation, and I'll notify my supervisor, if that's fine with you.
Wait, what's going on, baby?
Ma'am, I was peacefully filming in City Hall. I'm a journalist. I was gathering content for a story. This gentleman over here and another gentleman that just left, they came up to me, said you can't record in a public building. It's illegal to record in a public building. I told them I have a constitutional right to film in public. We have freedom of press in this country. They grabbed me, pushed me in the elevator. I said, okay, I'll leave. They take me out of here, and I said, what's your name? As they're pushing me out the door, I said, what's your name? He tells me a name, I forgot it now, but he tells me a name that's not his name. He lies to me.
Okay.
I said, that's not your name. Your name says S. Bell on it.
What do you expect us to do now?
So,
What do
and
you
then
want
he
from
took
us?
me, let me finish, please. And then he took me, and then he threw me down the steps right here in front of a witness where I'm hurt, my ankle's hurt. I'm going to go into urgent care over it to get it x-rayed. But again, completely unconstitutional, violation of my rights, and it's all on video, ma'am. It's completely, and then he says, give me your ID or you're going to go to jail. He says, because, I said, for what? I said, I haven't committed a crime. Your officers don't seem to know the law. You need reasonable, articulable suspicion to demand ID from somebody that they've committed a
So
crime.
listen to me right now, okay?
I'm listening.
We're here to ask you exactly what do you expect from us? What do you want us to do? And what
I want to
to
press charges against the two officers who blatantly assaulted me on camera.
So take them to the office and have a seat and write out your statement or whatever you want to do. But go
And I
inside
could give you the
office.
number for the witness as well.
That's fine. They'll take you
So
to
you
the
can
office.
contact the
Let them walk
witness.
to the office and take your statements from them.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
And you are Constable Williams
Constable Williams, yes, sir.
and Chief Hatch.
So take
Byron
them to the
Hatch.
office and we're gonna write your statement out.
You come on.
Make sure you don't record inside the building.
I'm going to record inside the building. Then we're not going to go inside the building. It's a public building, sir.
Yes, sir. Hold on. It's over. Now I'm gonna need you to do me a favor when we start taking all your information and stuff like that. I need you to stop recording. I know it's your Second Amendment, it's
First
your right
Amendment.
to be able to record in a public building. But I ask, due to our investigation, that you let us.
Sir, I was just, to all due respect, I was just assaulted by two law enforcement officers. I don't trust anybody, so I can't stop recording. So whatever that needs to happen, that I can't.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
I'll wait right here.
Give me a chance.
And it's in Peter, right? Yeah. All right.
Write down everything that occurred, your phone number, your information for me. When you finish, I'll come out. I'll give you about maybe 10, 15 minutes. I'll come back out, get it from you.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Make sure you leave us our contact number.
Okay.
So we can reach you. Okay.
Okay.
Let you know what transpired.
Okay.
Okay.
Will do.
All right. Oh, all right. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't have an ID on me. I can give you my full name though and date of birth.
Just put all that in.
I'll put that in here, okay? And also, how would I get you guys the video? And can I put down the witnesses?
Yes.
There was a witness that was walking out, and he had to go to work.
I'm gonna give you an email address so you can send it to us.
Okay, yeah, because he said he was willing to write a statement. He saw the whole thing too.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Put all this information there.
All right, we'll do.
And you got that. You can record.
Yeah.
If you do, we're gonna get our internal affairs guys. So you're gonna have to write some kind of way. Maybe he can get in touch with you.
No. I'm gonna put my name, my date of birth. I'll give you all my information.
I'm not even looking at it. This is going to our internal affairs.
Okay.
Department since allegedly.
It was one of the internal affairs. One of the people was internal. I saw it said IA. One of the gentlemen that was pushing me. He didn't give me his name, but it says IA on it.
Okay.
So
well, we'll look into it. Just write.
I just
down,
don't want the guy who did it to be
if
investigating
you
me.
can, write down the information that you know.
No, I'll write down everything and
Okay.
the witness and everything.
Thank you.
All right. All right, guys, let's fill this out. All right, guys, so we're just getting out of the City Hall here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Wow, that was a crazy experience. As you guys saw, I was assaulted by 2 constables, one that actually works for Internal Affairs, another one that was just a regular constable. I asked him for his name. He told me his name was Cartwright, but yet his uniform says S. Bell. So he obviously lied about his name. Complete tyrant, 100%. Complete and utter tyrant. And also, the sergeant that I flagged down, and even the deputy that I flagged down after I was pushed down the steps, they said, "Oh, but you can't film it. You can't film in City Hall. You can't do that. That's a government building." Ignorant of our rights. And then if they're acting in their capacity, they're allowed to put their hands on you. No, they're not. How are they allowed to put their hands on me? That's excessive force. That's assault. My ankle is hurting right now. I'm gonna go to an urgent care right now and get it scanned, get it checked out. Completely ridiculous. Thankfully, at the end, I spoke with Chief Constable Hatch, and Constable Williams, and then I also spoke with a sheriff captain off camera. After I wrote a statement, they took me down to the offices. I wrote a statement. I gave them all the information, the witness information. He's willing to write a statement. Completely ridiculous, guys. I'm definitely going to be redressing my grievances to my government over this one. We're going to make sure that some change happens here, some accountability happens here, because we the people are not going to take this any longer. We have to hold them legally accountable. And when I told that one officer, "I'm going to hold you legally accountable," the sergeant said, "Oh, now you're making threats?" It's a threat to hold somebody legally accountable for pushing you down the steps right in front of us right now, throwing me out of City Hall, at the very least spraining my ankle. Completely ridiculous. Anyways, guys, we're not going to let this one go. We the people, we're going to stand together. I love and appreciate all of you. As always, stay safe. God bless. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. Long Island Audit. Peace. All right, guys, I got an update for you. After I left City Hall, I went to a local urgent care. As you can see here, the diagnosis was a left ankle sprain. In this photo, you can see the swelling and bruising. The doctor gave me this boot and told me to wear it for at least 10 days and then get my ankle reevaluated. We all know, based on history, that Internal Affairs is not going to do anything about this. They're going to investigate themselves and find no wrongdoing, which is why I will be following up with the FBI as well as the District Attorney's Office to try and file criminal charges against those responsible. I've already spoken to my attorney and we will be immediately filing a federal lawsuit. I appreciate all of your support. You guys know me. I will be holding these tyrants accountable. Stay tuned to the channel and my Instagram for future updates. Peace.